Let us learn sentences having two words. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Go home. Go home. Help me. Help me. Find him. Find him. Say something. Say something. Focus here. Focus here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come back. Come back. Tell them. Tell them. Climb up. Climb up. Get down. Get down. Look again. Look again. Come inside. Come inside. Go outside. Go outside. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Have patience. Have patience. Remember that. Remember that. Forget it. Forget it. Stay alert. Stay alert. Run fast. Run fast. Let go. Let go. Well done. Well done. Be careful. Be careful.